If you're considering buying the Aeki face brush or have already ordered one and are unsure if it's worth the hype, be sure to watch or listen until the end. In this video, we're talking about Aeki face brush reviews and answering the big question people keep asking online. Is it legit or is it just another overhyped product? The Aeki face brush is being promoted as a lymphatic contour face brush that promises gentle massage, reduced puffiness, better circulation, and a naturally lifted look. According to the website, it uses ultra-soft and durable bristles that are suitable even for sensitive skin, helps sculpt the jawline and neck, boosts skincare absorption, and comes in a compact, hygienic, travel-friendly design. On paper, it honestly sounds like a perfect addition to any skincare routine. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now let's talk about what people are actually saying about the Aeki face brush based on real user reviews. Many users seem genuinely happy with how soft the bristles feel. Several reviews mention that the brush feels very gentle on the skin and is especially enjoyable to use in the morning or at night as part of a daily routine. Some people say they noticed reduced puffiness after each use, while others mention that it feels more comfortable than cold tools like jade rollers or stones. A few users also shared that it helped them stick to a lymphatic drainage routine because it was quicker and easier than using fingers alone. There were also reviews praising the quality, saying the bristles stayed intact, the brush felt firm yet soft, and the storage containers were a nice bonus. A lot of buyers even purchased multi-packs to gift to family members, which suggests they were satisfied enough to recommend it to others. However, not all reviews are positive, and this is where things start to feel a bit concerning. Some users reported that the edges of the brush felt sharp and uncomfortable, even when they tried to be careful. A few people said they didn't see any improvement in their skin at all, despite using the brush regularly. More worrying are the reviews mentioning allergic reactions. Some users experienced redness, burning sensations, tingling, or irritation after using the brush. One person even claimed the brush shed bristles excessively and left their face discolored, which is definitely not something you want from a skincare tool. There are also blunt reviews saying the product simply didn't work for them and left them disappointed. Another important thing to pay attention to is where you're buying this product from. While the Aeki face brush is sold on platforms like Amazon and other online stores, there are also several websites claiming to be the official or original Aeki website. Some of these sites appear to be recently created, which is a red flag. New or poorly established websites often lack transparency, proper customer support, or clear return policies. This doesn't automatically mean the product itself is a scam, but it does increase the risk of fake listings, low-quality copies, or difficulty getting refunds. That's why it's always safer to buy from reputable platforms with verified reviews and buyer protection. So, is the Aeki face brush legit or a scam? Based on available reviews, the brush itself seems to be a real product that some people genuinely enjoy and use daily. However, results vary a lot from person to person. While some users see reduced puffiness and find it relaxing, others experience irritation, allergic reactions, or no visible results at all. The bigger concern is not just the brush, but where you buy it from. Questionable websites, exaggerated claims, and lack of medical or dermatological backing mean you should approach with caution. At the end of the day, the Aeki face brush may work as a gentle massage tool for some people, but it's not a miracle solution, and it's definitely not risk-free for everyone. If you have sensitive skin or allergies, you should be extra careful. Always check reviews, verify the seller, and don't rely solely on marketing promises.